All right, good morning. Welcome back to Our Cabin Escape. We're back on site yet again. I keep saying every week that we're done for the year, that we won't be back. And Dave keeps convincing me.
You know, to keep coming up. The weather's still nice. I mean, it's cold, but it's still nice up here. So it's like, might as well come up and get some more done. I mean, nothing big, nothing exciting going on, but yeah, we still got some stuff we want to do. But yeah, this will be our last weekend up here, probably until February-ish. So.
Yeah. And then we won't stay in the cabin in February.
Oh, definitely
We will
not.
come visit the cabin in February. We won't stay. So this weekend, today, since that's the only day we'll really be on site is today, and then we'll leave early tomorrow morning, is
Platform for the fireplace we built last weekend. But this weekend we want to kind of get the plywood on it and kind of get it faced with some plywood as well and get it ready to go. So we have a couple ideas for what we want to do on top of the hearth. So we're going to kind of look at some of that. Probably won't show you any of that. Yeah, we'll see what happens next year as we actually build it. We did get the stair platform in. Again, we want to get subfloor on that, kind of get that little piece done. Maybe some stair stringers on the upper pieces since they're really short, and we have that lumber on hand. Last weekend we built 2 upper walls in the loft. We might finish closing them off. We'll see how this weekend goes and what we can get done on the other 2 projects.
see how much we can get done.
And that, so yeah, just a little bit. I mean, I actually brought the foam this weekend with us, so we're going to try to do a little bit of foaming around the windows and the doors, kind of try to seal it up a little bit more than what it currently is. But yeah, so got a little bit to do. Nothing exciting. Kind of an easy weekend, just up here, more relaxing than anything else, and go from there.
So stay tuned. We'll see what we can get done.
Well, you describe what we're doing.
Oh. I'm laying on the floor because I got lazy. All right, so last weekend we built the TJI base, and then when we laid on the piece of plywood we decided that the edges needed reinforcing where that plywood was going to meet. So we've gone through and we've added small sections of TJI in between so that the edge of that plywood is supported at every edge. So we've got that down both sides. And then we took some of the 1/2-inch sheathing that we used outside and faced the entire outside edge. And now we'll just finish putting on the base, the top piece that the wood stove will actually sit on. completely done. So next spring, we will pick the material to do the hearth, and the walls behind it. We'll bring up the fireboard for the hearth and the walls, cement board, whatever it is, and and then we will get that in place so we can put the wood burning stove in and get some heat in this place. All right, on to project number 2. Dave has got his pieces of plywood, MDF, not MDF, subfloor, etc. So we've cut those to the right length, and we're all ready to put those in place. Dave's getting all ready. He's got his ladder in place, and we're going to put those up onto the platform for the stairs and get that done. Here we go. So we've got I made a template, and we've got our upper sections of stringer all marked. Dave's gonna cut the last one, and we'll go get them all installed. Okay, so that is it for us. This really is the last time we will be back at the cabin.
Yeah, we won't be back up until February.
We have to turn in the porta potty, so.
That was the determining factor for coming up or staying, is the porta potty gets to get returned. So.
That's it. I mean, we can't come up and be on site for more than a couple of hours without having the porta potty. So this really is the last time we will be on site, other than quick trips to do check-ins. And
we were able to get the fireplace hearth fully done.
Got the stair landing to the second floor done, as well as the small stringers done. And other than that, we really just did a lot of cleanup. I mean,
we didn't get any of the upstairs walls framed that we wanted to, which is fine, not a big deal. That's, stuff to do next year. But
gotta have something to do while it's muddy outside in the spring. So.
But yeah, we were able to go through and get everything kind of cleaned up, swept up. We brought a vacuum up, kind of vacuumed all the dirt and dust, and kind of cleaned it up.
It cleaned out a lot of the sawdust and everything, so that when we come in the spring, it should be fairly clean and nice for us when we come in. So.
Yeah. So yeah, that's kind of it for us for right now. We got some stuff we're going to be looking at over the winter, and some projects we want to get done. So yeah, just kind of stay tuned. We'll have some videos pop up here and there.
They won't be anything regular, but they'll just be here and there as we have something to share. And hopefully we buy our wood stove this winter, and we'll share that with you as we buy that, and some of those kind of things that we have going on. We'll share those as we have them. So
no, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah. We'll see you guys next time.
See you next time.